Imagine this. Every day you spend $10 without even thinking. Maybe on coffee, snacks, or subscriptions you barely use. But what if that same $10 a day could make you a millionaire? Sounds impossible. Let's find out. Most of us don't realize how small daily habits add up over time. Those tiny decisions, repeated consistently, can actually shape your financial future in ways you might never expect. Let's break it down. If you invest $10 every day, that's about $300 a month, or $3,600 a year. Now, you might think $10 a day isn't much. But here's where the magic happens. Invest that amount at an average return of 10% per year, and after 30 years, your money will grow to more than $650,000, even though you've only contributed $109,500 of your own money. The rest comes from the power of compounding, and if you can invest $15 a day, you could cross $1 million in the same time frame. That small extra effort truly multiplies over decades. So what's the secret behind these numbers? Compounding. It's when your money earns interest, and that interest starts earning more interest. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first it's small, almost invisible, but as it rolls, it picks up speed, growing bigger and bigger over time. That's the power of compounding. The earlier you start, the more dramatic the results. Even small amounts can become huge over time. Let's illustrate this with Alex and Sam. Alex starts investing $10 a day at 20 years old. Sam starts at 30. Both earn the same 10% returns. By the time they reach 60, Alex ends up with nearly 3 times the money Sam has, just because he started 10 years earlier. That's why time is the most powerful multiplier in finance. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need complicated strategies or fancy trading apps. Start with simple options. Low-cost index funds. They track the overall market and grow steadily over time. ETFs. Easy for beginners, low fees, and diversified. Retirement accounts. Many of them compound your returns automatically. The key is consistency, not perfection. Automate your $10 investment daily, and forget about it. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Becoming a millionaire isn't about luck. It isn't about catching the next hot stock or crypto. It's about patience, discipline, and letting compounding work for you. Even $10 a day might seem small, but small steps repeated consistently can build a huge fortune over decades. So start today, but even with $10, your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Money Savvy Solutions, and share it with someone who could use a little motivation to start investing. Remember, small habits repeated over time have the power to create massive results.